All right there, Mortgage Musketeers. Today we're going to be talking about W-2s versus tax returns. A tax return does not trump a W-2. All right. When you get pre-qualified, your loan officer is going to ask you for your W-2s, unless you're self-employed or own rental properties. If you are not self-employed or own rental properties, we need your W-2s. Now, what we run into all the time as loan officers is people can't find their W-2s, so they send their tax returns, or they just think, I use my W-2s for tax returns, therefore tax returns must be more important or at a higher level than my W-2s. So if I give my loan officer my tax returns, surely, since they're based off of the W-2s, that trumps a W-2. No. All right, so your W-2, think of your W-2 as your base document. Your tax returns are built off of your W-2s. The W-2s are what's reported to the IRS. And when you take the W-2 and create your tax returns, the IRS does not keep a copy of your tax returns. They turn them into tax transcripts. So one way that the mortgage industry prevents mortgage fraud is they order your tax transcripts to bounce them off of your W-2s. So you can't have a tax return because that is your tax transcript match against itself. You have to take the tax transcript that's created from your tax returns, that's created from your W-2s, so they're going to bounce that tax transcript off of your W-2s. So when your loan officer asks you for your W-2s, don't give them your tax returns. Give them your W-2s because that is the base document that's required. If you're self-employed or if you have a rental property, then they're going to ask you for your tax returns. And they're going to use your tax returns and get a different type of transcript because you're technically self-employed. It's a different set of income, a different set of circumstances, and different rules. So keep that in mind. Don't think that tax returns trump a W-2. Your W-2 is your base document. Send your loan officer the actual W-2s. All right. Hopefully this was helpful. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you ring the bell so you know when the next one is coming out. And remember, it's all for one and one for all.